You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy, and today we are going to solve an exponential equation which is 5 multiplied by x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 7 multiplied by x raised to power 1 over 4 minus 2. So let's get on with our solution. This equation can be rewritten as 5 into x raised to power 1 over 4 and then its square is equal to 7x raised to power 1 over 4 minus 2. In order to get rid of the exponential part at this level, let us assume y is equal to x raised to power 1 over 4 in this equation 1. So the equation will look like, after substitution, 5, we are assuming y is equal to x raised to power 1 over 4. So the equation will become 5 y squared is equal to 7y minus 2. We will shift all the terms on one side of the equation. So the equation will become 5y squared minus 7y plus 2. Obviously it is a quadratic equation and can be solved with the help of a quadratic formula. Let us write the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. By comparing these two equations, we will come to know a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 7. Always consider the sign with the number if it is negative 1, and c is equal to 2. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 2. Our quadratic formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4a c over 2a. Let us substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So y is equal to minus into minus 7 plus minus square of minus 7 minus 4 into a's value 5 and c's value 2 over 2 into 5. Let us simplify this. Y is equal to minus into minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 into 5 into 2 40. 4 into 5 20, 20 into 2 40 over 2 into 5 is 10. So y is equal to 7 plus minus square root of 9 over 10. So y is equal to 7 plus minus square root of 9 is 3 over 10. So y is either equal to 7 plus 3 over 10 or y is equal to 7 minus 3 over 10. So y is equal to 10 over 10 or y is equal to 4 over 10. Final values of y are 1 or 2 over 5. So at this stage we will replace back y with x raised to power 1 over 4, which we assumed in the beginning. So x raised to power 1 over 4 is equal to 1, or x raised to power 1 over 4 is equal to 2 over 5. We will raise to power 4 both sides of the equations. So x raised to power 1 over 4 whole raised to power 4 is equal to 1 raised to power 4, or x raised to power 1 over 4 whole raised to power 4 is equal to 2 over 5 raised to power 4. In this case 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 will become 1. So x will be equal to 1 raised to power 4 1, or same here, x raised to power 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 will become 1. So x will be equal to 2 raised to power 4 is 16 and 5 raised to power 4 is 625. So 1 and 16 over 625 are the solution of this equation. So let's write our solution set. It is 1 and 16 over 625, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Until next time, take care of yourself and bye bye.